Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamta kasni. U Mintri Rangba kejela Meghalaya u Conrad ke sangma. Ula pli pat ba ano ya ka Williamson sangma Meghalaya State Museum ha ususo tham auditorium Shillong. Kane ka museum kala ai kerteng she u Captain Williamson e sangma u balong u Mintri Rangba ningkong e kejela but unong yalam bakraw ha ka Hill State Movement. Kum kadak buram ya kajingya linti jang u bat kajinglat luat kejela Meghalaya. Ha bakran ha kajingya lang plepat ba. U Chief Minister ula ong ba kane ka museum kalong ka sakhi ba shisha ya ka museum tenrai jong ka Meghalaya. Ka ba pen I ya ki riu kraw tenrai ki sap ki ba kerpang ki sap bo henrei ru kajing sngokhya ban penne pensa ya ka kolshor jongi. Ula penpauru bagane ka jaka kalong kalat puli ba ka jaka ban ai jingsneng ye ki pat ba khamtam ki samla ba ki pat ba kathan chatei lamingi. Kane ka museum ka don bon ba ki tiar den rai jong ki jai ben riu khasi jantia bat garu kum ki jan rindia ki kali ki daubilan ki tiar sat mensim ki tiar yele kai bat ru ki durmon ba pen I kum ki ashoka pillars bat ki dur dinosaur. Kalong kentup ya artli ki gallery, ka khasi jantia gallery bat ka garu gallery. Kabadon shu ki tiar kum ki tang muri, duitara, kiksing, syndrome, ki janren dia tenrai, tingshan, bat ki wei. Labu ya ka museum hapo ka State Central Library Complex, ha IGP Point Shillong, bat ka day ka bapanyad da katanat arts and culture jang ka sorkar jilla. Kadon palan, 8,000 sanspa atli ki exhibit balalum nadu kasnem 8,000 saw hadu minta. Hai kajinya lenti jongka banong kajaka penne pensa ya ka culture batru kajaka puli. Ka museum ka pli man kasngi nadu shipho baji min step hadu saw baji janmin ha ka polyur hadu san baji henry ka khang ha kisngi ublay ba kisngi shuti pat ba. Kabayrum kalong tang sandingka na ki long briu bat artingka na ki khana. Ki nongwan jungo kai ki la ru ban ne dur bat video da kabay kabaren. Labu ru ki lat kerpang na kamta ki briu badan jing e banyan. Ha kani kasngi play pat ba la pelat pat ba ru ya ka postage stamp ka special cover ba la pen I pat ba ru ya ka logo temai jong kani ka museum. Kani ka jaka ka penpau ya ka jingkan mau buram ya ka Hill State Movement ka bala pelong ya ka Meghalaya ka jela ka balat luat ha usnem syajar khandai spa nyopoar bat ka ai buram kerpang yo Captain Williamson e sangma unong yalam bahakmat do ha kata kapuan.
So from all the tribes, sub-tribes, all the all the textile traditions there.
One of the unique
This is actually from the garbage. It's made from the garbage. So this is the textile gallery and a display of our handloom tradition from across the state.
so much is material in the Hill State Movement. There's no single place that we go to. We would like to use the museum as a piece of a research center. Therefore, contacting us in the museum, contacting in the department, we can definitely share all of this. And straight on, you will see a wall.
I was noticing that. There are names of people who are involved.
Yes. So it's an immersive space.
Yeah.
Keep on changing. We can have photography as well.
You should have, this could be a dynamic gallery section where people could have different exhibitions, paintings, photography, everything. Somebody can book it, pay for it, whatever, and then invite his or her friends and
This side we have Malwa as the arts district, where we have carpentry and wood carving galleries.
Next we move on to very interesting section on modern living. It's called Wrapped in Time.
The Arts and Culture Department has always had these maps. In the past few weeks, we were able to retrieve, not only retrieve but also restore some of these maps. They have been scanned and has been kept here in, of course, a replica of it has been kept here, and it's the oldest